I think the social housing sector does have an image problem. I think relative to other sectors, we don't have the impact in terms of influence. I don't think people really understand what social housing is, what it does. I think we have a problem in the public. I think we have a problem even with our own staff and our own customers understanding who we are and what we're about. So if we can't help those people to understand, how are we going to help the wider public to understand the real massive value that social housing brings to society? And that's really how we're going to capture people's imagination, and that's how we're going to influence people and be able to do more work and to help more people. So this isn't just telling stories and something nice to do. This is fundamentally about the future of our sector and the impact that we can have.
So how do we go about combating that?
So I think there are a number of things that we can do. I think what we have to try and do to combat the problem that we've got with the image with our sector is that we have to try and capture people's imagination. And I think a lot of that is about, we have a really clear social purpose, and that revolves all around people. There's lots of sectors that don't have that luxury, and yet we don't make the most of that at all. I think what we have to do is tell the stories of our residents and work with our residents to tell those stories much better. And that's not about doing it in a contrived way. It's not about picking people that we've helped to save or vulnerable people. It's actually about just presenting people who are people that live in social housing, who are ordinary people that have aspirations, that have jobs, that have families, that have ordinary lives. And we need to get across the work that we do to help people to live those lives.